Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the counting numbers effect in CapCut. Go to ChatGPT and type in this exact prompt. Instead of X, put in the number that we are going to start counting from, and instead of Y, put the number we are counting up to. And here you can download the file. And as you can see, we have a text that's counting up to 100. Select all of the text, right click and create compound clip. As you can see, it's counting, but it takes it a minute and a half to count to 100. So let's put the duration to 3 seconds. As you can see, the video now lasts 3 seconds. To change the font style, go into the compound clip, select all of your text, go to text, make sure you have apply to all selected, put your text where you want it to be. Here you can change the font size, the font, the color, and everything you might need to change in the text. I have a whole video dedicated just to text settings, so if you want to learn more about that, go watch that tutorial. And when you're ready, exit the compound clip, and here we have it. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.